Your eyes always close when you sneeze. It happens every single time. It's an automatic reflex, a powerful involuntary action your body takes instantly. This isn't just to stop germs, though that's a convenient side benefit. We all do this because your brain is actively protecting your delicate eyeballs. The pressure from a sneeze is surprisingly intense, reaching incredible speeds. It's a natural defense mechanism to keep them safe from any sudden expulsion. Your eyelids are simply doing their job perfectly, without your conscious thought. You never even think about this amazing process happening.